forget.
Can you introduce yourself, please?
Hello, teachers. My name's Anne. I'm 10 years old. I'm in class 5-3. I'm from Vietnam. I live in Tram City. I like pig, I like cat, and I like chicken.
Okay, great. Thank you. How do you spell your name?
A-N-H.
Thank you. How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
They are...
They are father, mother, sister, brother, and me.
Okay, thank you. What does your mother do?
My mother is a staff.
And what does your father do?
My father is a staff.
Oh, okay. How old is your father?
My father, 53 years old.
Okay. What do you do in your free time?
I watch TV.
Okay. How often do you do morning exercise?
I never do morning exercise.
Do you like English?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. What food do you like best?
I like snack and candy.
Right. What drink do you like best?
I like soda.
What accessories are you wearing?
I'm wearing necklace. Yeah.
What are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going visit my friends.
Okay. And what do you like doing outdoors?
I like swimming.
Who's the tallest student in your class?
My friends. His name is Kim.
Oh, she's name is Kim.
Yeah.
Her name is Kim.
Her name. Okay, sorry.
That's okay. What did you do yesterday?
I play badminton.
Okay. What's your favorite sports?
My favorite sport is tennis.
Why tennis?
It's strong. Yeah.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Why English?
America, Chinese, and South Korea. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Now, what does he like doing?
He likes canoeing.
What does she like doing?
She likes fishing.
What does he like doing?
He likes climbing.
Hey, what does she like doing?
She likes hiking.
Okay, great. Number 1. Does she like climbing?
No. Yes.
It is difficult
Okay,
to say.
yes, she does.
Does she like grilling hamburgers?
No, she doesn't.
Number 3. Does he like hiking?
No, he doesn't.
Does he like fishing?
Yes, he does.
Number 5. Does she like watching birds?
Yes, she does.
Very good. And number 6. Does she like canoeing?
No, she doesn't.
Number 1. What is she good at?
She get at skiing.
Number 2. What is he good at?
He get at snowboarding.
Number 3. What is she not good at?
She not get at ice skating.
Number 4. What is he not good at?
He not good at inline skating.
Number 5, what is she good at?
She good at skateboarding.
And number 6, what is he good at?
He good at shopping.
What do you always do when you go skiing?
I always wear the helmet.
Yeah. What do you always do when you go to the beach?
I always put on sunscreen.
What do you always do when you go canoeing?
I always wear the life jacket.
And what do you always do when you ride in a car?
I always wear my seat belt.
Yes. And what can you see in the zoo?
I can see people and animals.
And what animals can you see?
Is gorilla, caterpillar, butterfly,
Yes.
bee, hippopotamus, and panda.
Okay. And which one is the smallest?
The bee is smallest.
Which one is the biggest?
The hippopotamus is biggest.
And which animal do you like best?
I like panda.
Is the eel as long as the seal?
Yes, it is.
Is the seal as long as the squid?
Yes, it is.
Is the seal as long as the squid?
Oh, no, it isn't.
No, it isn't. Okay. Is the squid as long as the dolphin?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. Okay, so how much does the lizard weigh?
The lizard weighs 150 kilograms.
And how long is the lizard?
The lizard long, 3 meters long.
Okay, how much does the beetle weigh?
The beetle weighs 100 grams.
And how long is the beetle?
The beetle long, 10 centimeters long.
Okay. Number 1, what does she look like?
She has long, straight black hair and black eyes.
Okay. Number 2, what does he look like?
He has short, wavy, black hair and gray beard.
And number 3, what does he look like?
He has short, curly, brown hair and black eyes.
Okay. Number 1, which watch does she want to wear?
She wants to wear the black one.
Number 2, which gloves does he want to wear?
He wants to wear the gray ones.
Yes. Number 3, which necklace does she want to wear?
She wants to wear the white one.
Number 1, what did he do yesterday?
He played baseball.
Number 4, what did she do yesterday?
She played table tennis.
Number 6, what did he do yesterday?
He played volleyball.
Number 5, what did he do yesterday?
He played badminton. No, he played basketball.
Okay, thank you. Okay, number 1. practice the piano on Monday?
Yes, I do. Yes, I did.
Yes, indeed. And number 2, did you work on a project on Monday?
No, I didn't.
Number 3, did you use the computer on Tuesday?
Yes, I did.
Number 4, did you talk on the phone on Tuesday?
No, I didn't.
Number 5, did you help your parents on Thursday?
Yes, I did.
Number 6, did you talk with your friends on Thursday?
No, I didn't.
Oh. What did the people in Rome use to make their homes? Number 1.
The people in Rome used stone.
And number 2, what did they use to make boats?
They used clay.